Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to review the Warrior Plus Profits or the Warrior Profit Plus software. This is not a software, this is kind of a course or a training module which I will be showing you from inside as well. I will not show you the lectures, but I will show you from inside. I will give you tons of bonuses from my side and a lot of stuff. But before telling you anything about this product, let me make it very clear that if you buy the product from the link which is down below in the description, then I will make some commission from you without you paying anything extra for that. I will make some commission because I will refer you to the product creator. That is why he or she will incentivize me with some commissions. Okay, so with that note, let us start reviewing the product, which is Warrior Profit Plus, and we will see everything in details. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is Shubhadeep and I am an affiliate marketer and a product creator at Warrior Plus, which they are promoting. So I know about the stuff in general, but what you need to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and share this video with others. Press the bell icon because I create regular videos on various products or good products which are launching every single week, and for that you must subscribe to the channel because there are a lot of things that means are launching which you will be getting at a very huge discount at the early stages of the product. Like a few days back, a product which I reviewed was what the name of the product I almost forgot it. The product creator was Neil Napier. His product was, I think, Mailview, and when I reviewed the product, it was around $17 for a one-time price. Right now it became $70 a month or something like that. Okay, or 27, I guess. So that is the reason that is why I create regular product updates. You can get a profit from the product at the early stages. That is why you need to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so kindly subscribe, and now let us see what the Warrior Profits Plus software is all about. This is not a software, sorry, this is a training course, and what this course is, what you will be getting from this course, and what I will be giving you if you buy this course from me. So we will see everything in detail. Okay, so let's start. As you can see, learn exact step-by-step process we use to set up, automate and profit from the popular Warrior Plus platform with thousands of affiliates who are selling for us. Okay, so thousands of affiliates are selling for them because they are a product creator. Let me make it clear how the system works. So there are two kind of stages. Means you can play two roles in Warrior Plus or ClickBank, JVZoo, whichever marketplace you want to talk about. Number one is the affiliates who promote other people's products, who sells other people's product, which I am doing right now. I am selling their product, and that is why if whatever I told you just means whatever I just told you at the start, that if you buy the product, then I will get commission. I will make commission from from the amount you will be paying to them without you paying anything extra. Okay, that is called as commission, which they will be giving to me. And so I am the affiliate marketer. I am the affiliate in detail, means at overall. There is another role, that is a product creator's role. Okay, so they are the product creator. I am also a product creator. I also have products on Warrior Plus. So if I am the product creator now, then I can recruit other affiliates to sell my products. Okay, and the main agenda, the main motto of this training course is that how to become the good or the kind of a best product creator, the product owner, how to make a lot of money through it, because affiliates do not make that much money, but the product creators make a lot of money. They have to create the product once, but the product sells for lifetime, and they make money regularly at a regular basis. So they will teach you how you can even make or become a good product creator, which is called as a vendor in the marketplace. How to become the best or good vendor in the Warrior Plus account on the Warrior Plus marketplace. Okay. So right here, as you can see, the ultimate affiliate sales and automation platform for marketers. Step by step, how to set up, automate, and profit from Warrior Plus like we do. Jumpstart your success with an army of affiliates generating sales for you. Automatic VIP upgrade with one-click software and sales system included. Fill in a simple form, click a button, and you are in the business. No hosting or zero hosting, technical skills or experience that is needed from your side. VIP upgrade included Warrior Plus, Warrior Profits Plus, one-click software and sales system. And there are a lot of things about this product. You can read it in this page, the sales page. What I will be giving you from my side, if you buy the product right now, is this much. This is this, which let us just see. This is my bonus page. As you can see, the Warrior Plus Profits, and this timer indicates the time that you are having till all the bonuses of mine means goes out or ends. So kindly check out this product before this timer is zero, because after this timer is zero, I will not guarantee that you will get the commissions, or you will get the bonuses from my side. Okay, so kindly check out before this timer is zero. So the bonus number 1 which I will give you is regarding to affiliate marketing, which will enhance your knowledge regarding to affiliate marketing. If you wanna buy the Warrior Profit Plus software, the training, then I will also give you 16 trainings from my side, 16 affiliate marketing trainings from my side, which will help you out tremendously in gaining knowledge regarding affiliate marketing, because it is kind of a business right now which is booming in logistic, means what it is called, the exponentially. Okay, this is what will help you out a lot if you get the bonus number 1 from my side, which is 16 affiliate marketing courses. Let me show you what I will be giving you. As you can see, this is 16 affiliate marketing courses, 6-figure influx, $500 CPA day, $10 CPA day, overnight commissions, commission magnet, commission profit hack, profit instant traffic jacker, commission toolbox. Everything which is shown here will be transferred directly to you if you buy the product from the link which is down below. What you need to do is simply click on any of the yellow buttons right here. You will land on the sales page, which is this one. And from the sales page, if you buy the product from here, which states get instant access, then you will get all the bonuses from me directly transferred to your account. Okay, this is only the bonus number 1 which I will be giving you. The bonus number 2, bonus number 3, there are 3 complete bonuses. Bonus number 2 is again the backbone of affiliate marketing, or the thing without which affiliate marketing will not be that much profitable, which it could have been. Okay, and the thing which is number 2 which I will give you is, drum rolls please, which is traffic. Okay, so what is traffic? Traffic is what the visitors are called, or the the customers are called, so-called customers, or the would-be customers and the visitors of your product is traffic. Without traffic, there is no use of doing affiliate marketing, of gaining that much knowledge, because when you do not have the visitors or the customers to buy that product, you will not make money whatever you do. Okay, so the problem number 2 which I will solve of yours is at traffic. How I am gonna solve that problem? I will solve that problem with giving you tremendous knowledge about traffic. How to get the traffic, what traffic is best suited for what kind of a product, how to promote the products through traffic, what are the various ways you can promote. All of these will be shown completely by bonus number 2, which I will give you as my bonus number 2 right here if you buy this Warrior Profits Plus software today or before this timer hits 0, which I just showed you. Okay, there's the bonus number 2 and the bonus number 3. The bonuses are not end yet. The bonus number 3 which I'm going to give you is very special to me, because it will not directly relate to the Warrior Plus, Warrior Profit Plus software or the trainings, but it will relate it to your money making online, because the bonus number 3 is completely on how to make money, how to make extra money from online world or online industry. This is what I will give you as my bonus number 3, which is complete knowledge regarding to make money online. Okay, as you can see, there is 9 money making courses that I'm going to give you as my bonus number 3, which is 0-hour work days from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, the Profit Factory, the secret weapon, the lost code, mobile, easy passive periods. All of these will be transferred directly to your account if you buy the product today and or before this timer hits 0. Okay, because after this timer hits 0, I will not guarantee that you will get all these bonuses definitely. Okay, so this was about my bonuses, and let me tell you about the sales funnel. The sales funnel means the front end product is $9.95, around $10. Sales funnel is, you will see the first product as the Warrior Profit Plus, and there are a lot of back end products as well which will enhance the productivity or enhance the ability of this product. Okay, which is what you will be getting as a one-time offer. The OTO, which is written right here, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, all of these states one-time offer 1, one-time offer 2, one-time offer 3, and one-time offer 4. Okay, the pricing is $27.17, $47.27, $67.37, and $47 per month. Here it is written 27 or 70, means the price is $27, but if you refresh the page, then you will get to see a discount of $10. If you means buy the product from that $10 discount, then you have to pay only $17 for the one-time offer one. All of these will enhance the power of the front-end product. You will get to know the details of everything when you land on that page. Okay, so the first front-end product is around $10, but after you purchase the product, you will be given a one-time offer, which is one time. You will not get to see that offer again. If you want to get to see, if you feel that it will be helpful, then go for that offers, one-time offer 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you feel so, then you can get a discount on all of the prices of it, around $10 or $20 in this case, or $30 in this case, but no dollar on the fourth one, no discount on the fourth one. But you will get $10 right here discount, $20 right here discount, and $30 right here discount. You will get to know about everything in detail when you land on that page. Okay, there will be another advanced trainings or another advanced softwares which will help out in your journey of becoming the best or the good the product creator in Warrior Plus. So right now let us see the product from inside. This is the Warrior Plus, Warrior Profits Plus product from interior. Here you can see get started. There are a lot of buttons, activate your system, customization options, promotion tools, traffic guide, logout, member support, factual ask questions, account settings, and learning center. Here you can see welcome to the Warrior Plus, Warrior Profit Plus VIP membership review area, activation and learning center. For you continue, let's get started. And there are a lot of things. I will not show you everything right here in details, because that will not be a good decision to make, because I also have some restrictions regarding to this product. I got the access, but that does not mean that I show you everything inside the product. Okay, so I'm really very sorry for that, but I hope I solved a lot of queries of yours regarding to this product. If you still have any doubt regarding to this product, kindly comment down below. I will definitely answer your query. I will definitely reply, and kindly consider subscribing to the channel. That is it. So now wrapping up the video, and as at the outro, let me again tell you that kindly consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and If you have any doubt, then kindly comment down below, and I will meet you in the next video with another product or another training. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.